Okay, we're currently on the Quantum of the Seas and we're looking at a balcony cabin which is on deck 10 and it's cabin 678. So let's go in and have a look. Okay, walking into the cabin, as you can see, there's a sofa bed here, double bed there out near our balcony. Check out, there's a wardrobe here. Bathroom here. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. With the toilet. Soap is provided. And I'm just checking that out. It's hair and body wash in that little bottle in there. Sofa here. Another wardrobe here. Then you've got your double bed with the lamp, phone, lamp and phone this side, PowerPoint, some curtains you can pull across, stepping out. Then coming across, have a TV, another cabinet with a lamp. We've got a kettle here, cups, English breakfast, tea, coffee, satchels, some creamer and some milk, which is great. Here we have some more power outlets here and some USB ports. Down here, there's a bar fridge. There. In the drawer, there's a hair dryer. That it is actually, you can take it out. It's not sort of mounted in the drawer or anything. You can take it out and use it. Tissues provided. Menus, etc. here. Room service menu. And some other drawers just saw you close. And a little chair. And then a mirror. So that is balcony cabin 10678 on Quantum of the Seas. Thanks for watching our video on cabin 10678. If you're into cruising and travel and you'd like to see more of our videos, please like and subscribe as we'll be uploading videos from our travels around the world. Cheers.